Lighter than ever, stronger than ever, shoot the city at night, capture motion in the sun. Dive deep, stay steady, and keep every detail. iPhone 15 Pro. Light, powerful, impossible.
When electricity meets emotion, every drive becomes something more. From mountain switchbacks to city streets, power flows instantly, silently, relentlessly.
Time doesn't wait. It moves forward.
Over the past few months, everyone's been talking about OpenAI's mind-blowing video tech, Sora 2. But here's the catch. Not everyone gets to use it. There's a long wait list, limited access, and some countries can't even open it at all. But now, Higgsfield is here to change the game. They just launched Sora 2 and Sora 2 Pro, the brand new versions that everyone can use, no matter where you are. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional product commercial using Higgsfield Sora 2, from setting up the prompt to generating the final video, all automatically with results that look super professional. First, step 1, accessing Sora 2 on Higgsfield. First, head over to Higgsfield.ai and log in using your Google account. That's the fastest way. Once you're in, look at the top menu and click Sora 2 Trends. Then choose Preset. On the preset page, Higgsfield already gives you tons of ready-to-use ad templates like luxury style ad, Japanese ad, unpacking, and minimalist corporate. But for this tutorial, I'm choosing general so I can freely customize my ad based on my product's style. You can also access Sora 2 by hovering your cursor over the video menu and selecting the Sora 2 model. Step 2, preparing the prompt. This part is super important. The prompt is what tells the AI exactly what kind of video you want. I've already made a prompt format that you can easily fill out yourself. There are 5 main things you'll need to define. 1, product type and brand, for example, running shoes by MIS. 2, filming location, like a street near a city park. 3, mood or tone, such as funny and energetic. 4, language used, for example, English. And 5, add duration, like 10 to 15 seconds. Once you've filled everything in, just copy the prompt, open ChatGPT, paste it, and hit send. ChatGPT will turn it into a ready-to-use commercial prompt that's perfectly formatted for Sora 2. So all you have to do is fill it out, paste it, and you'll instantly get an optimized prompt. No need to worry about complicated formatting or technical stuff. Step 3, generating the product image. If you already have your product photos, you can skip this step. But if you don't, no worries. You can generate one with AI. It's super easy. Just fill in the product type and brand name, for example, running shoes and MIS. Then open to Google Gemini, choose the Nano banana feature. Paste the prompt you just filled out and hit send. In just a few seconds, you'll get a professional AI-generated product image ready to use for your video. Download it and save it to your gallery. Step 4, creating the product video with Sora 2. Now go back to Sora 2 and upload the product image you just generated. Then paste the ready-to-use prompt you got from ChatGPT. Next, choose the Sora 2 model you want to use. There are 4 options: Standard, Pro, Max, and Pro Max. If you use Standard or Max, you'll get unlimited generation without spending any credits. Then select your video duration, 4, 8, or 12 seconds, depending on what your ad needs. After that, pick your resolution. You can go up to 1080p here. You can also adjust the aspect ratio to match your platform. portrait for Reels or TikTok, or landscape for websites and YouTube. Once everything's ready, click Generate and wait a few minutes. And boom, there it is, your professional product commercial made entirely by AI.
Bet you can't outrun your excuses today. Watch me. Hey, you left your coffee? Keep it warm.
Miss, run your story, one step at a time.
The quality is crisp, the camera movement feels natural, and the overall mood perfectly matches the vibe you described in your prompt. Now just download it and upload it to your favorite platform. With Higgsfield Sora 2, literally anyone can make professional product ads. No camera, no studio, no production team needed. You just need an idea, a simple prompt, and let the AI do the rest. From one idea, you get a full commercial ready to publish. If you want to try it yourself, I've dropped a link in the video description. Now it's your turn to experience this new wave of AI video creation. Your creativity has no limits anymore. From idea to film, from prompt to story. This is Higgsfield Sora 2, the world's first uncensored AI cinema engine.